Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So welcome to day 3 of 10 days to 2021, and in today's video I'm going to talk all about how to take care of your skin during winters. So in this video I have absolutely no makeup on. I just have some kajal and lipstick on, but on my face I have only moisturizer on. So absolutely no makeup. So I just want to take you through some skincare and also makeup tips on how you can take care of your skin during winters. As all of you know, my skin type was oily, but now it is moving towards combination, and my skin turns very dry in winters even though I have oily to combination skin. So I'm going to start with face wash first. For face wash, even if you have oily skin, please use a lot of cream based face wash that is used for dry skin. So if you use a very stripping face wash meant for oily skin, it is going to make your skin even more drier, which will lead to dry patches, and it is not very good for your skin. So make sure to use any face wash that has gel to cream consistency, which is especially meant for dry skin type. I have the Nivea face wash with me, but I don't like it that much because it really makes my skin itchy. I have a full review on it. I will leave a card over here if you haven't checked that review out. So for the winters I'm going to be using my Himalaya Neem face wash because it doesn't strip my face of natural oil and it is not too drying on my skin. Next, for toner, please stay away from ingredients like tea tree because tea tree is meant for acne prone skin and it has a tendency to dry you out. So for toners you can go for rose water or in toners that have chamomile in it, which can calm your skin down and also give you some sort of hydration. With toner you can't really get a lot of hydration, but it is better to stay away from ingredients that can dry you out. So please go for toners that don't have alcohol in them. Moving to moisturizers, make sure that your moisturizer is super creamy and super rich in texture. The one I have on my skin right now is the Garnier Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream. This is like my second tub and I already have a backup of it. So this is almost over. I still have some left on the cap, but it's almost over. I'll quickly show you how the texture looks. It is not like very creamy, but it is not too lightweight also. Like it gives a lot of hydration to the skin, and that's what I have on my skin right now. Topped it off with a little bit of face oil, but you can just add this, and can you see the difference between this hand where there's no moisture whatsoever, and you saw how much I took, and can you see the dewiness that this gives? So there's a very beautiful face cream or moisturizer meant for all skin types. I used to use this even when I had oily skin back then. So this is also budget friendly. This is a 40-gram product and it retails for ₹260. So this is a very good product. You can find it on discount as well. So make sure to use a lot of moisturizer, not only in the morning but also in the evening. So right now when I'm recording, it's about 9:35 p.m. and I have so much of facial oil and moisturizer on because it is very important to hydrate your skin even during night times. If you are not on a budget and if you would like to splurge on a little bit, then I would suggest the Innisfree Orchid Essence or the Orchid Cream. I think that retails for 1,900 or something, but you get a huge bottle of it, and I mean a huge tub of it, and it is super hydrating, extremely nourishing for the skin. So you can try that out as well. Moving to your face scrub, don't use a face scrub more than once a week for winters because a face scrub can really make your skin feel super dry if you don't follow it up with a good moisturizer. So it is better to use a face scrub just once a week and not twice a week. When it comes to masking, if you're someone who has clogged pores, so if you have oily skin, go for a clay mask just once a week, but use like a nourishing hydrating mask. Like I have the one from the Body Shop. It's the British Rose Plumping and Hydrating Mask. So I'm not saying you should buy Body Shop, but you can go for any face mask that is soothing, calming and hydrating in nature rather than your clay mask. If you suffer from blackheads or open pores, use your clay mask just once a week, but you can use a hydrating mask probably twice a week. And there's another option, you can go for sheet mask. Sheet mask, for some reason they get a lot of hate, but I love my sheet mask. I just refrigerate them and I don't use it every day. Using it every day is not affordable and it is not good for the environment as well. But on days when I have back-to-back video recordings and on days when I have a lot of work, a sheet mask by the end of the night for 20 minutes just calms me down. It's a very, very refreshing feeling, and it is a very quick fix for instant hydration. So that full sheet mask has serum in it, and you can just apply it for 20 minutes and take it off, and all of the serum will go inside your skin, which is very, very good for winters. Coming to makeup, again choose a lot of cream products over powder products. Please lessen the usage of compact or loose powder or even blush and highlighter in their powder form. Like I have the Benefit Benetint, which can be used like a liquid blush. You also get tints like lip tints, which can be used as your cheek tints as well. If you don't have a cheek tint or a Benetint kind of a thing, you can always use your lipstick as your blush, and it will just give your cheeks that flushed look without making it too drying. Because if you use a lot of powder products and if you don't hydrate your skin properly, the powder products can go and settle inside your dry patches, and it is not a very good look. So stay a lot towards cream products and use very, very minimal powder products. So starting from primer, you can just use a good facial oil as a primer. If you don't you don't have to necessarily invest in a radiant finish or dewy finish primer just for the season. You can double up the usage of your moisturizer, or you can use a facial oil after your moisturizer, which will pretty much act like a primer. And for foundation, go for a foundation that has a very natural finish. Please avoid foundations that have matte finish or full coverage foundation for the winters. Full coverage foundation generally tend to have a very matte finish, and matte finish foundation in general will it will dry up your face really fast. So always go for foundation which has like dewy, natural, no makeup, skin like finish, you know what I'm saying. So you can go for foundation like that, so that it doesn't go and settle up in your dry patches. And then one more tip is to build your products little by little. Don't apply a lot and then start to blend out. Apply little by little. And for blush, I said you can use your lipsticks. For highlighter, like the Becca Backlight Priming Filter or the MAC Strobe Cream, these can be replaced as highlighters if you want to. But if you don't want to invest in a high-end brand like Becca or MAC, PAC, Maybelline, these brands have strobe cream, which can be either worn under your foundation as a base, or you can just take a little bit and apply on your cheekbones just for that highlighted effect. So you can do that. You also have cream contour products, but I'm not into contouring a lot these days, so I don't have any cream contour product to recommend for you, but you do get cream contouring palettes. I think Makeup Revolution has a cream contouring palette. My friend Janani, she used that cream contouring palette in her videos. I will try to leave a link of it in the description box below, so you can do that. And make sure to just set your face with a makeup setting spray or a primer setting spray, because that will really keep your makeup in place. You need not have to top it off with a powder. I also wanted to talk a little bit about body care, because a lot of times we take care of our skin in our face and we sometimes forget our body. So our body, our skin in our body also tends to get very, very dry. So I would suggest you use a shower gel that has hydrating properties, and then top it off with a body butter. Body butter is better for winters and body lotion is better for summer or hot months. You get body butter in almost a lot of brands, like Nivea has it, and Nivea is a very good brand for body butter, and they have a lot of variants. The one I have is from the Body Shop. I know I'm talking about a lot of Body Shop products because I absolutely love them. I'm not trying to tell that you have to buy only this. So if you can see, I have used up quite some. This is very, very thick in consistency, and it just makes my skin very smooth for a really long time. So always go for a very thick cream. Can you see how thick it is? It is not runny or anything like that. So I'm just going to show you a quick demo of how I use my body butter. I generally use my body butter in the morning and even when I go to sleep, because our skin in our body tends to get so dry very fast, and we don't give as much attention like we give to our face, is what I feel. So it just blends out very easily. And can you see, like, this hand looks so dry. I wanted to keep that noise. I know sometimes it could get irritating, but I mean, please don't leave your skin in the body unattended. I know that sound could be irritating, but I just wanted to show you how quickly it just makes your skin look so supple, feel so soft. And also I would like to talk about hand cream, because our hands can get very dry, like super dry in winters, and it is important to have a hand cream. If you don't have a hand cream, then not to worry at all. You can just use your body butter or your body lotion, take some and then start massaging in your hands. Again, it's little dry, that's why you get that noise. So massage a little bit on your hands and make sure you keep them hydrated all the time. Let's come to lip care. All of us really love lip balm, but it is important to reapply your lip balm every once in a while. So make sure you have a lip balm that is long lasting on your lips. Like underneath this lipstick, I have the Laneige lip sleeping mask. I absolutely love that. I have a full review on it on my Insta stories. I will leave my handle in the description box below. I talk about the products that I like mostly on Instagram. Like, it's not a proper review like video, but I just come on my stories and casually talk about the products that I like. So I will leave my handle down below, you can check it out if you like. So always use a lip balm that is super hydrating. You know, it should be very thick and very nourishing, that you don't have to reapply them every. But even if you have a lip balm that is slightly on the lower side when it comes to nourishing, no problem, you can just reapply every now and then, and always keep your lips feeling very hydrated, because during winters getting cold bite on your lips is very natural, and it is slightly painful as well. I always get cold bite on my lips whenever there's winter happening. So keep your lips hydrated by applying lip balm, and more than anything, drinking lots of water will in general keep your body very hydrated, and that will reflect on your skin. Right now my skin is not doing really well. As you can see, I have like 3 pimples going on. That's completely fine. Otherwise, I'm just saying that, you know, internally hydrating your body will also reflect on your skin's texture. Your skin's texture will improve so much once you start drinking lots of water. I was not a person who used to drink a lot of water, but once I started incorporating that habit into my daily routine, I started to notice a change in my skin. So that is it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. I will see you tomorrow with another video. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and also hit the bell notification so that you can be the first one to watch my videos. I'll see you all tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.